and toes and get. Pag sinabi kong head, hawakan ng ulo. Pag sinabi kong shoulder, hawakan ng balikat. Pag sinabi kong knees, hawakan ng tuhod. Pag sinabi kong toes, hawakan ang mga daliri sa paa. At pag sinabing get, kunin ang sino at itaas. Ang huli makakapagtaas ng sino will be out of the game. Okay? Are you guys ready? Let's do this! And head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees, toes, knees, get! Alright, I'm gonna go see you. Alright, so let's talk about this. Ready? Your head, shoulders, and toes. Everybody, let's do this. Come on. Shoulder, 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 head, 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 shoulder, knees, knees, get! Alright, mga kids, my kids, okay, 1, 2, 3, alright, ito na may mahuli, may mga request ha. Ready? Everybody, let's do the head, shoulder, knees, and toes, and knees.